I didn't put up a video yesterday, but I have a good reason. And it is such an awesome reason that it is getting its own video tomorrow, because I had work today and couldn't edit said video that I wanted to put up today. So, you'll get to hear my excuse tomorrow. It'll be awesome. However, I wanted to appease you, so today we're gonna do another installment of Wreck This Journal, because I couldn't think of anything else to do today, so you're getting this. Yeah? Sound good? Okay. Okay! This is the page I flipped to. Can you read that? It says, lose this page, throw it out, accept the loss. Guys, I'm actually gonna have to tear the page out of the book for this one. Oh gosh. Let's make sure we get a good, nice picture of this first so that I can lose it and accept the loss but still have a record that it existed. Ah! If I did that to any other book, I would be devastated. And I'm still a little bit devastated. Okay, ready? Keep, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. It has been separated from the book. Okay, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. Ready? I'm gonna throw this just outside on my balcony. It's a little bit windy outside, so the wind will pick it up. Someone else will find it, maybe. That is how I'm going to accept the loss, is that someone else found this and thought it was hilarious. Ready? Yep. Done. So there you go. Unless fate has a bad sense of humor, I'm never seeing that page again. Thank you guys for watching. I will tell you my excuse tomorrow for not having a video up yesterday, and it'll be awesome. You'll get to see it then. All right, talk to you later. Bye. What is this? Whoever came up with this is weird.